Alright guys, so today you're going to be pranking Broccoli with teleportation grenade. Teleportation grenade. I'm going to teleport him from where I don't want to go. It is Angler's cave. He does not like anglerfishes. Broccoli! What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm doing my thing. It's from my planet Broccoli.
Alright, fine. Can you enable this and put it in the bag?
Okay, yeah.
It's for an invitation. Perfect.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Alright,
guys, we got him. So I'm going to cut the video until we get to Angler's cave. Alright, guys, I brought him where he does not like it. Call him out. I got it out. Broccoli!
yeah?
I brought you somewhere.
Is this your birthday place?
Yeah.